50?
No, he's going that way. Oh, great.
Can you make it there?
I gotta follow him in.
Do you have Snapchat?
I do.
I'll add you after and you can send me this, okay?
I can't get to it right now, but I'll
Alright, I'll just add you when I have time.
I don't want to go too hard. I got 2 different Snapchat, my country one, my main one, and my work one.
Where do you work?
I do my own stuff, but I'm not working at the moment. I'm not doing my own work right now for anybody. I'm
Nice.
so busy trying to get my cars together, but it hasn't gotten time.
Hey, the window works. That's a plus.
The window still works. It's kind of crazy.
What's the deepest you ever took? Is this like the deepest you take it
It's
in?
been to the bush so many times.
Really?
You can't see. I'm not trying to get too close to him, that's why I'm saying right back. Yeah, go this way. I'm getting close to the door. To the window. Yeah, something.
This thing just eats all the trees, hey?
It wasn't bad last year. When you get back to the city, go check my YouTube channel. I got the old video of that shit here. We drove in here at nighttime, we couldn't even see a thing when we were guessing where we were going.
Does the lights work?
Well, we broke it after. Halfway through the trail, we broke them. Fuck, I knew that was rock was like somewhere I was like waiting for it. I got blinking lights that came on my screen. I thought, what the fuck happened? They didn't tell me the light tried blinking on here. I'm like, what the fuck?
Where'd you guys even find this car?
I'm gonna kill that brake, but I'm not hitting him. The one way? Did I get your work? Oh, fuck. I'm trying to have the hand on the e-brake right away to be ready to forward it then.
Don't want to go falling into some bush.
Oh, I pull it. You're gonna see what I pulled it.
Oh shit. Gotta give this thing a quick rev.
Oh, shit. I'm on the brake.
Pull it.